guys, so welcome back to the channel. And so today's video is going to be my morning and nighttime skincare routine and kind of talking you guys through what I've been doing to really feel like I've had a lot less breakouts this month. Since this month has really, or I guess I've been starting February, I really started an actual skincare routine, and I've been trying to stick to it, and I've actually been doing pretty good. I've been pretty proud of myself. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I've been doing to clear up my skin, then let's get into the video, guys. So real quick, guys, one of the first things I have been doing to help improve my skin is I've been using this pillowcase that is by the brand Sylvan. They are a company that has pillowcases that use all natural silver organic fibers that they put into their pillowcases. It's all natural for your skin, and if you look really close, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on the camera, but if you see these little lines running through the pillow, that is the silver that is in the pillow. And I believe that this has actually helped my it has helped my face like stay cleaner feeling in the mornings, and not like I've had really had no breakouts since I've been using this pillowcase for quite a while now. So basically, the all natural organic silver that is running through the pillowcase it helps prevent bacteria, which will help prevent acne and clogged pores and all that fun stuff on your face. So that is what the silver is doing, is basically keeping bacteria from growing on your pillowcase. And so I just want to touch base on this brand. It's called Sylvan. They are a company that is helping use all organic products in their sheets and pillowcases, and they even have bath towels. So if you want to check them out, it's just www.sylvan.com, I believe. And they reached out to me and asked to, I was asked to review these pillowcases, and I just want to say a quick thank you to Sylvan for supplying these pillowcases to me, and I've really been enjoying them, and I do believe that it has really helped my skin, and I look forward to continue to use them and see if I can continue to see an improvement. So first off, I am a big bullet journaler, and I just want to share with you guys, I actually made a nighttime and morning skincare routine pages. So this is what it looks like for March. So this is the very beginning of March, and what I do is, like, in the morning I will actually write down like what day it is. So if it's the 4th or the 2nd or 3rd or 4th day of the month, I'll write down just a 4, knowing that that's what I did that day. Some days I won't do every single routine. If I just want to wash my face and do like a moisturizer, then that's what I'll do. I try to stick really close to my regimen for my nighttime skincare routine. My morning I'll kind of fluctuate with, but I try to stick to my nighttime skincare routine because it has the most products, and it does, it does like the most benefit for my skin at night. So I just want to share with you guys those couple of pages that I've been doing. If you are just starting your skincare routine, sometimes writing things down helps me stay on track. That's just me personally. So first off, I'm going to start with the morning skincare routine and kind of be showing you guys how I do it and what I do, and yeah. So first off, in the morning, I always just wash my face with a either warm or cold clean washcloth. And then after I wash my face with just a clean washcloth, I will then go ahead and dampen my face and use this. This is the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. It will pretty much remove oils from your skin, makeup, dirt, grime, all that fun stuff. So I will go in with this first. It is really nice. It really does cleanse your skin makes it like ready to go. Then right after that, I will then go in with my Mario Badescu Rose. This is the Aloe, Herbs, and Rosewater Spray. I'm actually just about out of this. It is, as you can see, it's like right there. I actually bought the set of the 3 of these that comes as a set last year during the 21 Days of Beauty sale, the spring sale. And I'll probably end up repurchasing right about that time because we're coming up on that 21 Days of Beauty sale like right away here. So I go in with that next. Then right after that, I will go in with this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. This has actually, it is really nice. It actually kind of smells good too. Yeah, so this actually, it's a shine-free hydration and it is for blemish-prone skin. So I actually enjoy this because I do battle blemishes. And I feel like this has been really helping me with my blemishes lately. So then after I moisturize my skin with that, I will then go in with this lip scrub that I cannot pronounce the brand's name, but I actually got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it smells like Fruit Loops, and I love it. That's what it looks like in the inside. I will then go in with this lip scrub, just kind of get my lips ready for the day if I'm going to be wearing like a liquid lip or even a gloss, just anything, just kind of get your lips ready to go. So that is my morning skincare routine. Let's go ahead and do my nighttime skincare routine. So at night, sometimes what I will do is I will, it kind of depends on how I want to take my makeup off for the day. Sometimes I will use a couple of different items to get the makeup off. Sometimes I will just use this Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash. Sometimes I will just use this. Other times I will use the Garnier makeup wipes, which I don't have any of those right now because I've ran out. But sometimes I will just use that, or I will just use some of the Garnier Micellar Water on some facial pads, and we'll use that to like remove my eye makeup and the rest of my makeup. But most of the time I will just go in with this, and I actually keep this in the shower with me, and we'll just use this to take all my makeup off in the shower. And then when I get out of the shower, if I'm gonna mask for the night, I will either use a sheet mask, but lately I've been loving these two. This is the Pink Clay Alaya skincare mask, and this is my Teamy Green Tea Detoxifying Mask. And I've been loving both of these. These have both really been, this one I really feel like helps calm down the redness of my skin. And this one is the best mask that you could ever use for acne prone skin, which just really helps my acne. And so I feel like both of these as a combo are like a match made in heaven. So after I get out of the shower, if I'm going to mask, I will go ahead and mask first. Then after I get done masking, I will then go in with the Mario Badescu Chamomile and Lavender Facial Spray, which I'm also about out of this one as well. Then after that, I will actually go in with this Elemis Pro Collagen Marron Cream and this 111 Vitamin C Boosting Serum. I will actually mix these two together. I'll put on some of the lotion, couple drops of the vitamin C, and kind of like do these together. I feel like this vitamin C drops has really been helping my skin as well. Then right after I get done doing that is pretty much the end of my nighttime skincare routine. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below saying what has been your favorite skincare item like lately, or if you have just like a holy grail skincare item. I would love to know. Maybe I would check it out. So yeah, guys, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.